Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about factorization. It is the new topic for you. It is a new topic for you. In this topic, first term is factors. Factor. Term factor form a factorization. When an algebraic expression. When an algebraic expression can be retained when an algebraic expression can be retained as the product of two or more expressions. It is called a factor of given expression. Students, factor when an algebraic expression can be retained as the product of two or more expressions. Algebraic expression can be retained as the product of two or more expressions. It is called factor of given expression. Example, 5x square by a square z. 5x square by a square z is an algebraic expression equal to 5 into x into y into z. 5 x y z, these are the factors of 5x square by a square z. Next example is 6a square bc. 6a square bc retained as the product of 2 into 3 into a into b into c. It is the factor. Now factorization. Term factor form a factorization. Factorization. Factorization is the reverse process of multiplication. Its short definition is factorization is the reverse process of multiplication. But a process of finding the product A process of finding the expression. A process of finding the expressions whose product is the given expression. A process of finding the expression whose product is the given expression. Example: 5x square y plus 2x by square. Here common is x square means x into x. In this term x into y, in bracket 5x, y is common, plus 2x is common, y square, y into y is common, so y. And note, factorization is the reverse process of multiplication. Write it. Students, now I shall solve exercise 7a. Factorize. Question number 2 of 1 is 14m minus 21. Here common is equal to 14 means 2 into 7. 21 means 3 into 7. 2 into 7 14 and 3 into 7 21. So here common is 7. Now 7 to the 14. 2m minus 7 3 the 21. Answer. And question number 2 is, what is common? 15 means 3 into 5. Understanding? For understanding. 14 means 2 into 7. And 21 means 3 into 7. So 7 is common. Remaining 2, m also. Minus sign. So minus 3 into 7. 7 is common. Remaining 3. So 2m minus 3. Here 15 means 3 into 5. And 20 means 2 into factors of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Factor of 15 is 3 into 5. So common 5. Now a, here a square. So a is also common. In this term b square, b into b. And in this term b. So b is common. Now in 15, 5 is common, remaining 3. A is common, no remaining. In b square, b is common, remaining b. Minus in 20, 2 into 2 into 5. 5 is common, remaining 2 into 2, 4. In a square, a is common, a. In b is common, no remaining. So 5ab into 3b minus 4a. Answer. Right? Students, next question. Question number 3 of 3. Factorize 36x cube by minus 60x square by cube z. X square by cube z. And question number 2 of 4. 8x square minus 72x by plus 12x. So 36x cube by minus 60x square by cube z. Here SCF of 36 and 60 is 12. in 36 and 60, its common number is 12. 2 into 2 into 3. So common is 12. 12 3 are 36 or 12 5 are 60. So 12 in this term x cube and in this term x square. So x square is common. Here y and in this term y cube. So y is common. So 12x square y is common. Z is not common. Z is not in both terms. So 12x square y is common. 12 3 are 36. Remaining 3. In x cube x square is common. So left x. And in y common. No. Left anything. Minus 12 5 are 60. In x square is common. No left any term. In y cube y is common. So left y square. Z. Answer. And question number 2 of 4 is 8x square minus 72xy plus 12x. Common term is 4. 4 2 are 8 and 4 3 are 12 and 18 4 are 72. So 4 is common and variable term x square x. So x is common. 4x is common. In 8x square 4x is common. Left 2x minus in 72xy 4x is common. Then 18 by plus in 12x 4x is common. Left 3. Answer. Right. Next question. Question number 5 of 2 of 5. Minus 5 minus 10t plus 20t square. So solve it. Common term is minus 5 minus 10t plus 20t square. So minus 5 is common. Minus common, change sign of all terms. So minus 5, in minus 5 is common. Left 1. This minus change its minus sign, plus sign. Plus 10t, in 10t 5 is common. Plus 2t. Minus, plus sign change into minus sign. So in 20t square 5 is common. Left 5 4 ja t square. 4 minus 4 t square. Answer. And in this question 5x into x minus 4 minus 7 into x minus 4. Here common term is x minus 4. X minus 4 in this term and x minus 4 in this term also. So here x minus 4 is common. Left 5x minus 7. Answer. And in question number 8, x cube into 2a minus b plus x square 2a minus b. Common term is x cube x square. So x square is common. 2a minus b and 2a minus b. So 2a minus b also common. Now total common is x square into 2a minus b. Remaining x square. In x cube x square is common. Left x. 2a minus b is common. Plus in x square is common. Left no anyone. In 2a minus b is also common. So remaining 1. X square into 2a minus b common. Left 1 plus 1. Answer. Write it. Next question is question number 12 and 14 is written on this board. Question number 12. 2a plus 6b minus 3 into a plus 3b का whole square. 2a plus 6b minus 3 into whole square of a plus 3b. First of all, 2a plus 6b in both terms have 2 is common. So take it common 2. Left a plus 3b minus 3 into whole square of a plus 3b equal to, now common is a plus 3b. a plus 3b है and in this term also a plus 3b. Now a plus 3b is common. Remaining 2 into a plus 3b. a plus b is common, so left 2 minus 3, take curly bracket, 3 a plus 3b is common in a plus 3b का whole square, so left 3 into a plus 3b equal to a plus 3b into 2 minus, remove bracket, 3a minus into plus minus 3 3 जा 9b answer. And question number 14 is x into a minus 3 plus y into 3 minus a. Here a minus 3 and in this term 3 minus a. So change its 3 minus a into a minus 3. x into a minus 3 minus 1 taken common, so y plus y into minus 1 is minus y, so plus 3 change into minus 3 and minus a change into plus a, so it is changing a minus 3. Now a minus 3 is common equal to a minus 3 x into a minus in x minus x into a minus 3 common is a minus 3, so left x minus sign minus in y into a minus 3 is common, left y answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 7a question number 1 to 14 only. Question number 1 to 14. Today your homework is solve exercise 7a question number 1 to 14. Thank you. That's all.